Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're going to look at how to increase or decrease the number of emails you see on your main page. So this is normally set by default. As you can see, there's an amount of emails that are showing in my account, but you can edit this to your liking. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So all you need to do is click on the cog at the top, which is the settings tab, and then click on see all settings. So you should see a bit that says maximum page size, show 50 conversations per page. So clicking on the down arrow so I can edit how many emails or conversations are showing on my main page. So for this tutorial, I'm going to click on 10. So when you've clicked on your desired number, you need to save those changes by scrolling down to the bottom. Click on Save Changes, and on my main page you can see the amount of emails displaying has significantly dropped. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.